Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you will learn about how to find quantity of concrete for an overhead water tank footing. First of all, what is a footing? A footing is the bottom part of a building that spreads the weight of the structure into the ground safely. Footings can be of different type like wall footing, sloped footing, mat or raft footing, and so on etc. Today we will find quantity of a raft footing of overhead water tank. Raft foundation is the type of footing which spreads under whole structure area. So let's start the video. As you can see, we have two drawings here, a plan and its section. We will use this plan and section and use their length, width and height to find the quantity of concrete of that footing. As you can see, we have a length here and a width here and height here. We will use these values and find the quantity. Now let's find the quantity. The size of the footing length is 19 feet 6 inches. As you can see here, the length is 19 feet 6 inches from this edge to this edge. And the width of this footing is 19 foot 6 inches, same like length. As you can see, we have 4 feet 3 inches here and 11 feet here and 4 feet 3 inches here. If we sum these values, we will get the same value, 19 feet 6 inches. Height can be seen in the section here. As you can see, the height is 2 feet. So formula to find the quantity is length into width into height. So let's multiply these. The length is 19.5 feet, width is 19.5 feet and the height is 2 feet. So the quantity is 760.5 cubic feet. As per design strength, concrete ratio will be 1:2:4. In 1:2:4, it shows that cement is 1 part, fine aggregates are 2 parts, and coarse aggregates are 4 parts in concrete. Wet volume of concrete is 760.5 cubic feet. To convert this wet volume into dry volume, the factor is 1.54. So we will multiply the wet volume into 1.54. The dry volume is 760.5 into 1.54 is equal to 1171.17 cubic feet. Now we will find the quantity of cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. For cement, we will divide it with the sum of ratio 1 divided by 7. As you can see here, we have the sum of ratio. So we will divide 1/7 into the total dry volume. So we will get this value 167.31 cubic feet. So we will convert this into cement bag. One cement bag volume is 1.25 cubic feet or 0.035 cubic meter. So we will divide the value of cement from cubic feet. 167.31 divided by 1.25 is equal to 133.848 bags. We can round it to 134 bags. Okay, so for fine aggregates, we will divide by the ratio of fine aggregate. As you can see, the ratio is for fine aggregates are 2 parts. So we will divide 2/7 into the total dry volume. So we will get the 334.62 cubic feet, say 335. After that, we will get the coarse aggregate. For coarse aggregate, we have 4 parts, as you can see here in the ratio, 4 parts of coarse aggregate. So we will divide 4 into 7 and multiply it with the total dry volume, and we will get the value 669.24. We can round it to 669 cubic feet. So the summary of our required material is 134 bags of cement, 335 cubic feet fine aggregate and 669 cubic feet coarse aggregate. We will need these quantities to make this size of footing. Thanks for watching today's video.